Hi, I'm Joanna Delaney, Marketing Strategist at VideoAsk. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to generate not just more, but more higher quality, more engaged leads through your website or landing page. Picture how you connect with your audience and prospects through your website or landing page today. It's probably a process that you've perfected over many attempts of trial and error. You've probably A/B tested different headings, different value propositions. You've even spoken to your customers and put those learnings right back into the copy on your site. But even after all of this, your website only resonates with a small percentage of leads, because ultimately it falls short at establishing a deep connection. Video, on the other hand, establishes a human connection immediately. Think about it, we're hardwired to connect with the person on the other end of the video. We can put a face to a name. We try and fail so hard to do the same thing with copy, but it never quite works as well as having that face-to-face connection. Through video, you can talk to anybody who lands on your site like they're somebody, and build trust from the get-go. By establishing this connection early on, your prospects will feel like they already know you. So now I'm going to show you how to generate more of those high-quality leads with VideoAsk. To start, I want you to think of your VideoAsk as a funnel. First of all, you're looking to catch your prospects' attention. So record a video where you clearly say who you are, what you can do, and how you can help your prospects.
Hey, what's going on? I'm Stanley Tate. I'm a lawyer that helps people solve student loan problems. What can I help you with?
Stanley's website is in stark contrast to what you typically find in the legal field. So first of all, Stanley introduces himself in his VideoAsk. We're then invited to decide what we would like help with. And next up, we have a relevant video based on our multiple choice selection. This is using the conditional logic feature.
Cool. So you're looking to negotiate a settlement. I can help with that. The main thing is, in order to be able to negotiate a settlement, your loans have to be in default.
This is Stanley taking you through his qualification process. You can find out more about what he can offer and how he can help. Next up, you want to qualify these prospects. You want to ask direct questions to really understand if your product or service is relevant to them. If it is of relevance to them, then you can capture their contact details, or you can even let them book time directly in your calendar.
So that sounds good to you. Go ahead and sign up for the call and we'll talk soon.
This is a fantastic example of being more personal and human with your prospects. Plus, you've already started to build trust with your prospects from the start. Next up, meet Tara, a creative coach who's also been using VideoAsk to generate more leads and qualify leads through VideoAsk. Before she started using VideoAsk on her site, Tara found that many people were booking a call with her, but simply were not ready to move forward with the next stage of the process. They just weren't in the right frame of mind. They hadn't been qualified. So since putting a VideoAsk on her site, she's now able to pre-qualify all these prospects, which means the people who do book a call with her are definitely more in the right frame of mind to move forward and do business. Since doing this, she's actually freed up a lot of time and increased her conversion rate by 41%. By the way, besides just getting more qualified leads, you can also use conditional logic to offer more personalized and specific products to people based on their answers. If you want to find out more about how to do this, then you can click on the link up here. So I hope you're feeling more inspired and want to have a go at using VideoAsk to generate more qualified leads for your business. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below in the comments and I'll get back to each one of them. That's all from me for today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.